So guys, today we're going to be putting batteries in a Blink camera. And you can see it's a Blink Outdoor 4. And this is the block that we use in our things. I brought it down and I hung it up. You can see. You know where my cat's at. So you're going to set that hammer down. Yep. And then I'm going to show you. It'll say off cameras offline on your thing, and therefore it is dead. That one says dead. So you're going to set Blink has a special thing that you can put in, but we threw them all away because there's no use for them. We just use a coin because they're easier to use. So starting off, you'll work with this little metal thing. You'll put the coin down in here, and then you'll just start spinning it. Until this right here, that comes off, and there will be batteries. The Amazon is what we've been putting in, but those are different ones. You can see I took the batteries out. And you can see, and then let's put new batteries in. You know, we got the same brand still. Okay. There will be a little white in the bottom, red will flash. So then you'll set it down. So then you'll get on your phone, iPad or phone, and you'll click on it, and it'll say online. And you can see the blue light right there, down there in the camera, comes on. So you can see, here I am, you can see I'm leaving. Here's my phone. And then you come, you get your coin again, you get your lock, and then there's a little hole, and you will screw it back in. So basically, you have to make sure it's on all the way, or water will get in it. And the back will not go on, so that means you might be going the wrong way. So then you go the other way. So it's tight. Then I'm going to show you something. I didn't think Northern cares if I use his house in my electric camera. So this is the Blink Mini 2. It's the same thing, but it has a built-in headlight and a red one and a spotlight and stuff, and it's electric. And there's stuff out there for it. We just replaced the batteries in. That's them together. Once you get the back on, you will go and put your Blink Outdoor 4 back up in your thing, and then the molar, when Lindsay comes down, we'll put it back up there. So here is this. You can see, you set the camera right there. And then back here, the feeding station. And right here, my feeding station. I'll show you what we've got set up. Another one, there's box, corn, cat food, and a peanut butter sand, which you can see. And then that Blink camera's there, a light. And then there's a camera there. Then right out there's another camera. And then there's the 12. And there's the 4. Well, there's camera up there too. So you can see there's water cup for them to drink. There's some walnuts. The old and won't see small and not good. Then you got them up there, so the possum stuff for now. Yeah, that's the feeding station. So next, we're gonna walk back to my iPad and make sure that camera is working. And then tomorrow, me and Lindsay will take it up there and we will put it back up there with 2 brand new soup boxes. There's the little bed I made for Northern. See, now I'm getting on here to the bird feeder. And there you go. There's the bird feeder. I hope you enjoyed that video of me looking at that camera. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'd like to thank you so much for watching.